So Tiger, now you know what equivalent fractions are. Let's learn to write equivalent fractions looking at pictures.
That sounds interesting.
Write equivalent fractions looking at the pictures. In the first picture, 2 parts are shaded out of 3 parts. So we write it as 2 by 3. In the second picture, 4 parts are shaded out of 6 parts. So we write it as 4 by 6. Shaded parts 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are same. So 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Great! In the first picture, 1 part is shaded out of 3 parts.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 158 videos totaling 10 hours and 3 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 3 Math.